Hey there, this is Palm Valley Communities, and today we will be touring the Villa Veneto Venetian floor plan. It is 1,406 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's go take a look. We'll start off with the living room. The living room comes with your own dining space. Very spacious, allows for you to have a TV couch setup. More space along the back here with its own fireplace. The living room also leads directly into the balcony. Nice little view here. With the storage unit as well. Next, the balcony leads straight into the master bedroom. Go along this hallway. The master bedroom comes with your own 2 closets. Here's the master bathroom. Bathtub. We'll make our way back out into the living room. And let's take a look at the kitchen. The kitchen comes with your own study space. Door leads to the garage. Standard appliances, microwave, stove, oven, refrigerator, and of course the dishwasher. What's cool is that you'll have a washer and dryer built into your kitchen. So you can do this in the convenience of your own home. Let's make our way down the other hallway to show you the second bedroom. The second bathroom. And last but not least, the third bedroom. This unit also comes with the attached garage. Well, there you have it. That was Villa Veneto's 3x2 Venetian floor plan. If you have any questions or you're interested, then please check the description below. Otherwise, this was Palm Valley Communities. I hope you have a wonderful day.